Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you various methods to check your Ubuntu version, whether you prefer using the command line, GUI, or terminal. First, let's explore how to check your Ubuntu version using the command line. This is quick and efficient for those who are comfortable with terminal commands. One of the most versatile commands for this is lsb-release. Let's start with the flag to show all the information. As you can see, this command provides detailed information about the Ubuntu version on your machine. If you only want the description, you can use the D flag. And if you prefer a concise output, just use DS. Need the codename of your Ubuntu version? Just add the C flag. Lastly, to see only the version number, use the RS flags. Another way to get the version information is by reading the lsb-release file. This command shows you the same version information. For even more details, use the wildcard release to read all release files. You can check the OS release file. This file gives a comprehensive overview of your operating system, including the version. Another simple command is hostnamectl, which shows details about the host machine. You can also find version information by viewing the etc issue file, which stores the welcome message for SSH connections. For a cleaner output, use issue.net. For those who prefer a more visual output, you can use scripts like screenfetch or neofetch. As you can see, screenfetch displays system information, including the Ubuntu version, along with an ASCII image. Similarly, neofetch gives you a modern look, displaying your system details with a colorful ASCII logo. If you prefer using the graphical user interface, here's how you can find your Ubuntu version. Click on the Activities menu in the top left corner, and type Settings into the search box. Once in Settings, scroll down and select the About tab. Here, you'll find the Ubuntu version along with other system details. And that's it. Now you know several ways to check your Ubuntu version, whether you are using the command line, terminal, or GUI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.